Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my Radiator Springs cars. Let's start with our first car, Lazy. When I was trying to buy this car, I couldn't find it anywhere, and I finally found it in a second-hand app, still in its original packaging. That's why it holds special place in my heart. And our second car is the Hudson Hornet. My dad bought this car for me, but it's not metal product. It was bought from Disney store and I think is better quality than metals. Our third car is the Fillmore. It's one of my favorites in the series. Even if you haven't seen the movie, you might still love this car because it looks absolutely stunning. Next up is Serge, Fillmore's best friend. You could even say he's the one who says McQueen lies in the movie. So, of course, I'm going to put him next to Fillmore. Our fifth car is Red. He doesn't have many skins in the series, but he looks absolutely fantastic. I have Race and Rescue's version. Our next car is Sheriff. This is a car we say quite often in the first movie. The details on this toy are very well done. And our currently car is Towmater. Is one of the most beloved main characters in the movie, but I only have one of him. I plan to film more Mater unboxing videos in the future. Our eighth car is Ramon. I searched everywhere for this car and Flo. Our ninth car is Flo. I've already told you about this one of along with Ramon. Let me show you the details. Next up, Guido and Luigi. I bought this car exactly 10 years ago. That's despite some minor wear and tear. They're still in good shape. And the next car is the series' late character, Lightning McQueen. I bought this one 10 years ago. It has some small scratches because I've dropped it few times. I usually discard when displaying them in town from cars on the road. And the last car is Sally. So we completed our town. If you like to see more videos like this, be sure to let me know and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.